I'm Chris Blakeman, www.blakemansovak.com, and today I want to talk to you about the SEBO ET-1 power head. This is a power head that SEBO, a vacuum company that's made in Germany, that has a factory in Germany that makes their vacuums in Germany and their vacuum attachments. They have a great design with this power head here, and it goes on a number of their units. So this video is for kind of the other units that I've shown, their canisters, their Felix unit, that have this as an optional attachment that you can add. So it's a direct connect power head, so you can see where it connects into the unit. There's a couple of electric inlets right there, male inlets, and of course you have the opening here. The opening on a SEBO and the valve is slightly bigger than 1 1/4 inch standard fitting on other vacuums to allow for a little bit more airflow in SEBO vacuums, so they actually get a little bit more airflow, clean a little bit better. You'll also see that there's a locking mechanism here to keep the head upright. So when you set it upright, it stays upright. It's actually a 2-part locking system. So when it's down, it will swivel back and forth to turn with your wrist. When it goes up, it locks into place up with the foot pedal, and then the elbow will actually lock into place. So you can lock it upright, and it stands upright. So it's a nice feature. It's a good benefit, so your machine's not falling over. You'll also see here that the wheels on this machine are hardwood floor friendly. They have neoprene coatings on the bottom of them. It's a soft coating that allows for hard surface without marring the surface or damaging the surface. And you'll see here the height adjustment wheel has that as well. Got a little bit of styrofoam there. This is a brand new head right there. So it grips the surface and it doesn't damage the surface when you're going around doing sensitive floors, hardwood surface. And you can go ahead and adjust this head for different types of carpet heights. So you'll see there's an adjustment here where we can set this to a low setting. There's a number 1 there. It's printed on the plastic. Go to a number 2, number 3, and number 4. This is also made out of a high quality ABS composite plastic, so it's very durable. It's the same stuff they make football helmets out of in the NFL. It's designed for high impact, so you can drop this, you can throw it, and it's gonna survive. It's meant to be durable. It's meant to be long lasting. I've seen these last as long as 15 to 20 years with regular use, which is great for your home, especially if you have family, or especially if you just have high use, you vacuum a lot, maybe you have pets and you have to take the pet hair up a lot. You also see in the bottom of this here, we have a clog door. So you can actually open this trap door to go ahead and clear debris and clear issues that might get obstructed in there. So when something gets sucked into the cleaner head and it starts to pass through here, a lot of times where the debris passes from the brush system to the neck as it's going into the unit, this is right where it gets clogged. So the Germans very intelligently thought up a trap door right where your most common clogs might happen with very large debris. Because the bottom line is, with any vacuum that you have, you can clog it with foreign objects, no problem. Just has to be a big enough foreign object. So this is a nice feature for at the home. You know, if you accidentally suck something up, you can go ahead and get it out of your vacuum cleaner, no problem. The brush roller is made out of a composite material, and you'll see the brush roller has these nylon bristles. And nylon bristles are much better than plastic bristles. They're much better for your flooring, especially if you have brand new flooring. You don't want to use cheap plastic bristles on your brand new flooring. You want to use nylon bristles. SEBO also has a soft brush available for your hard surface and your super sensitive flooring. I have another video on that. Check that out in the brush roller videos for SEBO. This one's great. You can actually remove this brush roller from the machine. There's a button right here on the side. We're going to go ahead and press that button while rotating the head. So we press in and then rotate at the same time. When these are new, they're kind of stiff, so we're going to go ahead and put some pressure on it and rotate this off right here, just like so. Then you push here. It'll actually be unlocked, so we can see that when we depress the button and push on it, it unlocks just like that, and then you can pull the cap off. This is a bushing system, which means there's a metal rod that goes into a brass sleeve. Much better than cheaper systems that have bearings, really cheap bearings that get loaded up with debris and actually get overheated and break down. What's really nice about this design is when debris gets lodged inside of here or wrapped around there, you can clear it out really easily. So this is also nice because we can go ahead and remove the roller. So if we need to, we can clean things off of the roller, no problem. We can clean things from the inside of the head, no problem, with no tools necessary. So with no tools, you can remove the brush roller from this without having to put a screwdriver on it. You can load it back into place, no problem. You're gonna go ahead and put the cap on by lining it up. You'll see it has these grooves along the sides, all the way around. And then you have these areas where the grooves are gonna fit into place, just like this, and you have to line up the brush roller with the end cap, and it'll pop in really easily, and then you're gonna go ahead and click it closed. You're good to go. So really convenient feature with being able to remove the brush roller. We do have a couple sensors on the head. One of them is actually an on and off button right here that can be depressed to turn the brush roller on and off. If you don't want it to beat up on the surface, you can go ahead and step on that to turn it off. There's also a sensor light on top here. This machine has a lifetime belt, so if you hit something crazy, you can go ahead and shut the machine. It's going to go ahead and shut the machine down. You can go ahead and clear the debris out. Maybe remove that brush roller if you need to. Whatever it is that jams it, a sock, a shoelace, a bed sheet, the edge of a rug, something like that, whatever it is, this light right here is going to light up and show you that there's an obstruction and a problem. The other thing this light does is it lets you know if your brush roller isn't engaging the floor. So it's a super easy way to go ahead and adjust the brush roller down to the right height from a high height to where you have the right height for your carpet. It actually shows you that, and I'm going to go ahead and show you that today on the SEBO Felix vacuum. We're going to go ahead and hook it up. So we'll take a vacuum here. We're going to plug it in. So the best way to set the height on these power heads is to start out really high and then go down until you get. So I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. So you can see that the light turns green right here. And we're at a number 1 setting because we're all the way down. Let's go ahead and turn it up all the way to a 4. Because being down all the way on the carpet's actually not healthy because it's creating a seal around the cleaner head. And the brush roller is loading down in the carpet too much and it might damage the carpet pile. Won't pick up as well. So we're going to run it. Now we can see that the light turned red. So we need to adjust this to the right height down. So I'm going to a 3, a 2, now the light's done. So 1 is too low and 2 is just the right spot. Very nice. The other advantage to this power head is that it has a lifetime belt. So if you hit something while you're vacuuming, it's going to go ahead and shut down the vacuum when the motor's overloaded. So we can see that that power head got overloaded. The light's blinking. We can pull the shoe out. Okay. Now we just turn the unit off. We're going to turn it back on. And we're good to go. So it's a great power head, lifetime belt system. With that cog belt, basically what that means is you're never going to have to change a belt on this vacuum. So very convenient, very good to have that way. And you can find out more about the SEBO Felix on our website, www.blakemansovac.com. You can find out more about the ET-1 power head as well. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Like I said, email us at info@blakemansovac.com. Comment in the leave a comment below. You know, if you need some information, we'll try to respond to that comment. Thanks for watching, guys.